Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect Square to Acuity. This integration is perfect for managing appointments and payments all in one place. Let's dive right in. First, open your Square dashboard. On the left-hand side, click on More from Square. Now in the search bar, search for App Integration. When it appears, click Find Apps. Next, you will want to click Visit App Marketplace. Once you're in the marketplace, use the search bar to type in Acuity. When you find Acuity Scheduling, go ahead and click on it. Then click Get Started. At this point, you will be asked, how do you want to use Acuity Scheduling? You will have two options. You can either create a new Acuity scheduling trial. This option is perfect if you're brand new to Acuity and want to try it out. Or use Acuity scheduling with a Squarespace website. Once you've made your selection, the connection process will be completed and you're all set. You can now start using Acuity right within Square to manage your appointments and payments seamlessly. And that's it, you've now connected Square to Acuity. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.